Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews and Moose. Today I have a Dixxon Flannel. This was I don't know if it's going to be a grail type shirt or not. This is off their Brewing Series, the Beer Series, whatever you may want to call it. This is the Pale Ale. I got it in size 2XL. Awesome looking colors. Fall is starting to be right around the corner here. Now I've ordered this shirt probably 2-3 months ago when it was released, and thought I liked the colors. And now that it's getting to be fall, I believe there's only a small available left on the website, and but it's off their Brewing Series. It's like another edition of the Brewing Series. So we're going to go ahead and get it opened up here. And I know there's like a little sticker somewhere on here that I can peel open. There it is. What do you think so far, Ace? You like it so far? I'll put it in this plastic? Huh? I'll throw it down here for you. No? Yep. Yeah, no, maybe so. Yeah. You get down here and play with that? All right. All right, so we got to take out little plastic hooks. Get rid of a little paper, as well as the cardboard around the collar. Oh, forgot another one here. And this is it here. Again, great looking colors. Let me go ahead and turn this light on here so you can see a little bit better. But again, great looking colors. Of course, you got the sticker for the Pale Ale. And I really do dig this color. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, put the lay the shirt on the bed, take a little close-up of it, and try it on. But I have been starting to get more of like the 1XL shirts since I've gotten this one, just because of my weight loss and everything else. But now that I'm training for a marathon, but yeah, let's go ahead and pause the video. I'll be right back. And here is the Pale Ale. Of course, you got the sticker on there here now. Again, this is from the Brewing Series. Got the Dixxon on the sleeve, or on the pocket, as well as the sunglass white. And you got it's more like I don't really consider it like a baby blue. It's kind of like between a teal and a baby blue. And of course, there's the sticker. And I'm trying to see, and of course, you got the collar button there with the Dixxon hammers. And there should be, there we go, that's what we're looking for. Dixxon Flannel Company, Pale Ale buttons. And it is the button-up style. It's not the buttons like that. But I really like how those buttons shine. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and try it on, see what it looks like. I'll be right back. All right, so the Pale Ale is on. Really, like I said, these colors are really good. They got like a tealish, bluish, the browns, a little bit of gray hint in there. But we're going to go and stand up, show you what it looks like on, and so you be the judge. Okay, this is a 2XL. Great looking shirt, though. Push this chair a little bit so you can block it on there. So it's a great looking shirt. Very nice fit. 2XL. I am 6'3", about 215 pounds. But yeah, highly recommend this if you're able to see it. If they're able to sell it again. The Brewing Series. This is the Pale Ale. And I'm sure you can get it on like the Dixxon Exchange website. Maybe you'll find it on eBay or something like that as well. But highly recommend this. Again, this is the Pale Ale by Dixxon. Reviews and Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.